Hi, it's Hardware Set, and today I'll show you the app continuity when unfolding on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, right here, click and open some app, for example, a Maps. Okay. Turn on, we have the map, and now when you unfold your phone, it will transition to a bigger screen also with the app opened, and you can do that with most apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.